The Natura 2000 network occupies approximately 20% of the territory of Portugal. With a huge variety of habitats and species for priority conservation, this set of natural areas integrates most of the ecosystems and much of the biological diversity. Despite its importance for nature conservation, this European ecological network faces several threats with negative consequences for biodiversity. Fires, alien invasive species, human pressure, climate change and pollution, and ignorance call into question the future of this natural network. Valuing the potential of long-term volunteering activities, 11 entities mobilized to develop a European solidarity project in natural areas inside and outside the Natura 2000 network. 200 volunteers will participate in restoration, conservation and sensitization activities in various natural areas from the coast to the mainland and the islands, where they will have the opportunity to acquire skills in diverse areas and contribute to the protection and conservation of natural spaces of recognized ecological value. If you are between 18 and 30 years old and want to participate in this great challenge of helping nature, visit our Facebook for more information. Life Volunteer Escapes.